Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 16, Advanced Level. Question number 16. Amara is 8% taller than Huixian, and Priya is 10% shorter than Huixian. Express the height of Amara as a percentage of that of Priya. First we will calculate Huixian's height by using the given information, that is Amara is 8% taller than Huixian. Let Amara's height be x meters, so we can write this in an equation as 108% of Huixian's height equals to Amara's height, that is x meters. We have written 108% instead of 8% because the height of Huixian is 100% and Amara is 8% taller than Huixian, so Amara's height will be 108%. Now we will calculate 1% of Huixian's height, so divide whole equation by 108, after dividing we have 1% of Huixian's height, that is x upon 108 meters. Now in order to calculate 100% of Huixian's height, multiply both sides by 100, after multiplying we have 100% of Huixian's height, that is 100 upon 108 x meters. Now simplify the fraction. After simplification we have 25 upon 27 x meters, therefore, Huixian's height is 25 upon 27 x meters. Now we will calculate Priya's height by using the second condition, that is, Priya is 10% shorter than Huixian. So 90% of Huixian's height equals to Priya's height. To calculate 90% of Huixian's height, just multiply 90% by Huixian's height as shown. We have written 90% instead of 10% because the height of Huixian is 100%, and Priya's is 10% shorter than Huixian, so Priya's height will be 90% Huixian's height. When we remove the percentage sign, we have to place 100 in the denominator of 90 as shown. After simplification we have 2250 upon 2700 x meters. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction. After simplification we have 5 upon 6 x meters, therefore, Priya's height equals to 5 upon 6 x meters. Now finally, to express Amara's height as a percentage of Priya's height, divide Amara's height by Priya's height and then multiply it by 100 and place percentage sign next to it, as shown. Then substitute the values of Amara's and Priya's height and simplify as shown in steps. When we replace divide sign by multiply sign, the fraction next to it will be reversed or reciprocal as shown. X in numerator will be cancelled by x in denominator. Now simplify the fraction as shown. After simplification we have 120%. Therefore Amara's height is 120% of Priya's height. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.